Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Fit and Calm. This is Tejasvi. So today we'll look at a few poses that could be done throughout the pregnancy which would help to strengthen the thigh muscles, strengthen the pelvic floor, open up the pelvic region and a lot more. So let's get started. So the first pose that we are going to look at is the Baddha Konasana. For this, just join the soles of the feet together, interlace your hands, keep the back straight, shoulders roll back and down, and then gently flap the thighs up and down. You can observe the opening in the groin region while doing this. Continue for some more time. And we relax. And the next pose that we are going to do is the side bending pose to open up the sides of the body. So straighten the right leg, left foot beside the right thigh, right hand on the right leg, left hand goes up above the head. Open up the chest and just hold it here for a few minutes. Till wherever you can, for few breaths, you can hold it here. You can catch under the calf muscle or under the knee for more support. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. So inhaling, we come back up and then we change the leg. Left hand on the left leg, right hand goes up above the head. You can catch under the calf muscle, under the knee or the thigh. Just stay here, keep opening the chest. 3, 2, 1. Come to the center, relax. So all these poses you can hold till wherever you are comfortable. Listen to your body and do according to what your body wants. Now spread both the legs out, pull the toes in, interlace the hands. We'll do the Chakki Chalana. Go forward, breathing in from the right, go back. Breathing out from the left, come forward. We are just making circles here, half circle inhale and half circle exhale, and opposite direction. So Chakki Chalana also can be done around 5 to 10 times according to your capacity. And slowly we come back to the center, relax. Next we are going to do the variation of the Vakrasana. So we'll keep our feet together. Bend the right leg from the knee, place it towards the outside. Make sure you're not compressing the stomach region. Take the left hand back, right hand on the left thigh, twist and look over the right shoulder. To show you from another angle, and we come back to the center as you inhale. Exhale, straighten the leg. We'll do it with the other leg too. Bend the left leg from the knee. Take the right hand back, left hand on the right thigh, twist and look back. Make sure your hand is close to the body. From the other view. Inhaling, we come to the center. Exhaling, relax the hand. Next we are going to do the Marjarasana. Come onto your hands and knees. Palms directly under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Knees are hip width apart, palms are shoulder width apart. Now breathe in, we arch the back, look up. Breathe out, round the spine, chin to the chest. Very good to strengthen the back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue the slow movements of moving up as you breathe in, down as you breathe out. We will stand up and do some pelvic rotations. Keep the feet parallel to each other, weight equally distributed on both the legs, palms on your waist. Let's just rotate. If you want, you can bend your knees a little bit, but otherwise keep them straight. These pelvic rotations release all the stress in that region. Also very good to do during your labor, the pre-labor phase. Opposite direction. So you can do around 5 to 10 rounds based on your comfort zone, and we relax. And now we'll do the Vrikshasana, a balancing pose. So shift your weight onto the left leg, lift the right leg up. See first if you just place the toes on the floor, just hold it here. If it's comfortable, lift the leg a little bit, place it on the calf muscle. If it's comfortable, place it on the thigh. Feel free to take the support of the wall whenever required. Now, after you've gained the balance, focusing on a point, join the palms in front of the heart. If it's comfortable, lift your hands up. Otherwise, just stay here. Breathe in, breathe out. You can hold it for however long you want. Release, relax. We'll do it with the left leg also. Choose the variation of placing the toes on the floor or placing your foot on the calf muscle or on the thigh. It's okay if you're losing the balance. Take the wall support. Join the palms in front of the heart. Slowly take them up. Or you can just stay here. Breathe in, breathe out. In and out. Relax the hands, release. And now widen the feet comfortably apart, if possible around 4 feet. And then turn the right foot out, left foot in, pelvis facing forward. Take the hands at shoulder level, bend the right leg from the knee, warrior 2. Look towards your right hand. Keep breathing, never hold the breath. You can hold the pose but not the breath. Just stay there for a few breaths and we relax. And then the same thing on the other side. Left foot out, right foot in, hands at shoulder level, bend the leg from the knee, look towards your left hand. Right hip pushed back. Very good to open up the pelvic region as well as strengthen the thigh muscles. And we come back, relax, release. Now again widen the feet for the next pose, goddess pose. Heels in, toes out. Bend the legs from the knees. Place your palms on your belly or in goddess arms. You can take your hands at shoulder level. Bend the hands at the elbows, point the fingers towards the ceiling. Open up the chest, come down. Hold the position. This is also very good to strengthen the thighs, open up the pelvic floor. One of the positions used during labor too. And we come back, relax. The next pose is the lying down pose. So we lie down on the left side first. You can keep the left hand straight on the floor or place the left hand under your head for support. Right hand in front of the chest. Lift the right leg up. Now, if you want, you can bend the left leg from the knee or keep it straight. If you have gained the balance, you can catch the calf muscle, you can catch the foot and just stay here. Breathe in, breathe out. Choose the variation of bending the left leg if you want, if you're losing the balance. And catch the right leg wherever you want. And we relax. We'll do it on the left side too. Right hand can be used under the head for support, left hand in front of the chest. Lift the leg up, left leg up, catch the calf muscle or the foot, whatever is comfortable for you. Just hold it here. Bend the right leg if required. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Relax. Release. You could also check out our pregnancy videos to do a continuous practice. And also after you have done the yoga practice, it's really good if you can do the Yoga Nidra to relax the whole body. Thank you so much for joining us. May you stay fit and calm. Namaste.